Hey friends, I'm excited to announce that I have finally figured out a better way to give my viewers free trial access to all my premium courses. No credit card, no commitment, and you get to browse and watch as many lessons as you want and try out all the courses for 7 days. You don't even have to cancel at the end of the 7 days because the system does that for you automatically. You see, I did try something similar last year, and in the beginning it was great. Some of you took that promotion and ended up staying as practice partners. But because of some limitations in the hosting platform, one, you had to use a credit card, and two, you had 30 days to evaluate. The result was that many people forgot they signed up, and then their credit card got charged and things like that. So in the end, it wasn't working out very well, and I had to stop that. But now with some custom programming, I have a new way that works much better. If you don't already have an account, you just sign up with an email and a password. That's it. You get 7 days free access to everything and you don't have to do anything else. Regardless of whether you choose to get the paid subscription or not, or if you buy a course, the trial will still end after 7 days without any action needed on your part. I truly believe in the value of these guitar courses, and that's why I want to give everyone the opportunity to try them. I get great feedback from the free lessons, but I understand that it's not an easy thing for everyone to risk investing in a course, especially if you don't try it first. My dream is to help change guitar education and introduce as many guitar players as possible to new effective methods like the string fragment system and the other concepts that I use in my courses. But I need partners for that. So I hope that this trial will allow you to see firsthand the effectiveness of these lessons and decide if you want to be a part of the team and support my work. There should be a link on the bottom that will allow you to sign up with a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and remember, enjoy your practice and be effective.